Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage in Excel sheet. Now in order for us to get this done, we have something like here that I have created. And basically what we're going to do is get the discount amount from the original price and the discount in percentage. Now to do that, what we're going to do is just basically do the formula here. So we're going to copy, or we're going to click the B2 and then multiply it by the C2 or the discount price. Now you have to ensure though before you do this one that each of the numbers here are actually set for percentage. Otherwise this will not work. So in my case example it's 10 and it is in percentage. So yeah, that is how it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna copy the rest and then final price. In order for us to get this one, I'm just going to basically minus, so B2 and D2. All right, and there goes our final price after getting the percentage of the discounted amount. So yeah, that is how you are going to calculate percentage in Excel sheet.